thought that was our background music.
Yeah.
Fun fact, so me and Suzy know each other since 2019. Yes, live, 17th after she won. Yes. So the first time we met is at an event, so I saw that she won, but I didn't know that she was Thai. And then she came up to me, she walked straight up to me. After she won, she came up to me and she go, "Sawasdee ka, sabadi mai ka?" And she started speaking Thai, and I started getting freaked out. I go, "Whoa, whoa."
You're like, whoa man, step back.
I was like, "But you are Wong."
Yes. Yeah, so Wong is actually Chinese, right? It was this, I mean, my dad was an avid reader and loved history, and we watched the movie The World of Suzy Wong, right, with Nancy Kwan from back in the day. And so I opened a restaurant in Nashville, and it was next to a gay bar, drag theater, and I was like, I want to have it be kind of kitschy, so I wanted to be the world of Suzy Wong. So I made a restaurant was called Suzy Wong's House of Young, where we served the evening of moral pleasure. This was the pun, right? Get it? And so I kind of, when it came time to promote the restaurant, I was like, if Ronald McDonald can promote hamburgers, I could definitely promote my restaurant. So that's where Suzy Wong was born, or came about. So it's actually a Chinese name, not a Thai name, but I am Thai. Just born and raised in Nashville.
Yes. So and then after that, after she she told me, "Oh yeah, I'm Thai." So I started speaking Thai back to her nonstop, and she go, "Whoa, whoa, 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 not too much." So that was that. That was a fun story about how we met. And every time I visit her in Nashville or we go to events, we both pageant queens, so we always go to other city to attend pageants, to watch pageants. So every time we go out in any, like we go to Chicago, we go to Phoenix, we go to, where else are we going?
New York,
Nashville, New York,
Telluride, Colorado.
Oh yeah.
We did gay ski week in Telluride. Could barely breathe with the altitude, but it was pretty fabulous.
So we always get Airbnb together, and then Suzy is gonna always make sure she has a full kitchen stuff with all her homemade food, and I'll be like, great, I can't fit in any of my outfit.
I do it on purpose.
Like, that's why I have a hard time walking up and down the stairs. It's not the dress, it's this.
It's the age.
And the age.
So look guys, what I have here right now is Thai chili or chili peppers and minced garlic, all right? That's pretty much like what you saw in Pik Nam Pla. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my fish sauce into this as well.
I should want to learn how to do this.
Yeah, it's very easy. So go ahead and keep
how many? How much?
A little, enough, good amount.
She trusts me, you guys. Look at that.
She's cooking. Look, see? I'm here to teach.
Mom, I cook.
I'm here to teach our future. This is our future. This is our future right here. I'm so proud. So look, I'm also going to add some fresh elements to this. And this one, my friend, it does expire because there's fresh herbs. Sharpen your knives. I'm obviously very passionate about that conversation, right? Okay. So just make sure you sharpen those knives. Yes, sir. Sugar, garlic. So do we cover all the components? Salty, these don't really eat very well. Now what I do now, I have it too. It smells really good too. But I'm gonna take some fresh limes and then just so good, right, guys? Do you want to see up? I did this. I'm actually filming a show right now, a cooking show right now. So yay me! But now it's down here, and I taught at the same school in LA. I was a culinary chef instructor there.
Okay, never mind. We're gonna play some Thai music for you guys to enjoy while we'll be waiting for our next performance. Is that okay? Yes? Alright. If you want to dance along, go for it.
In the meantime, if you have not entered our contest to win a flight to Thailand, head on over to the amazing Thailand booth. Because if y'all don't enter, then I guess that means I have to go again. So maybe don't enter.
Thank you. Excuse me. those. I know, but she comes here and she has to pay like 5 times the value.
$2.
See it? So this is just all vegetarian. Onion, lime, coconut, and toasted coconut and ginger, right? And what is this leaf? We love the restaurant down in the East Village. So great.
What do you like to eat the most over here? What should we try? We got some sticky rice, we got some amazing sausage. What else should we try? Ooh, can we take a close up on that? That looks amazing. What is the sausage made of?
Can I give you extra wonton out of like cilantro?
That's fine.
That's fine. Sorry.
It's okay, Momo. Hey, Momo. Hey, Momo. Hey. Smells the cow soy on my hands.
Tea is definitely a very traditional thing to have when you're growing up. That's definitely something that you need. Honestly, I feel like Thai iced tea is like 5 espressos in one. So if you're trying to have that high energy, maybe in Thailand, that's what you want. But this just tea is sweet. So good. Can you tell us a little bit about what this water is?
Mommy.
Me and you go. Let's go. Yes, all right, guys.
So you come out to different events and draw?
Yeah, it's a meetup called Urban Sketchers.
Yeah, no, I've
So
heard
we
about
just-
them.
We just come out, we draw a location, and share art.
Cool. Thank you.